So here you can see that I have an image right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to apply Solarize effect to it. So in order to go ahead and apply Solarize effect to this particular picture, you need to go ahead and click right here and then go around onto the effects menu. Then once you do that, you need to go around over here onto the color transform option right here and then choose Solarize. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that what happens is that the bright areas become darker suddenly. That is because the Solarize effect actually takes effect, but the darker areas, as you can see, does not change much. I can go ahead and increase and decrease the level of Solarize, as you can see right here, just like this, by utilizing this slider right here, just like this. So this is the before and after, as you can see right here. So you get this kind of particular effect right here where it tries to decrease out the bright areas right here to balance it out with the dark areas right here. So that is how you can work around with the Solarize effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.